Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode. I think I'm going to change the format for these unboxing episodes. I typically, every time I get a box from the mail that day, I'll film a video and release it of the unboxing. I think I'm going to consolidate or try this out, consolidating all of the unboxings of the week and just release them in one video. That way I'm not, swamping you guys with notifications and videos every day or every other day. So I'm also trying to lessen the workload a little bit. Been a little run down, trying to, family life and then filming and doing videos takes up some time in the evenings. I gotta wait till after the kids go to bed to do anything. So right here, the first box I got here today, nicely packed, thank you. It's from my buddy Scott, and he has a channel, and I'll put also his Instagram handle on here and below. Let me just read his note. I'll put his Instagram handle on the screen and a link to his channel in the description. Go over, check his channel out. He does some good stuff, man. He's really good. Tell him that I sent you, and give him a subscribe. Hit him up, subscribe and like, man. He's doing good stuff, man. He has a nice little channel. And so he sent me over this Traska. I forget the name of it. It's one of the new ones that came out, I believe. Hold on, let me see if it's in the note here. Yeah, the Commuter. Okay. Yeah, this one I think just came out. Oh, and he got the white out. Very, very nice. Look at that. And I think this is on the small side, I think this is a 36 millimeter case diameter. But good looking watch. I mean, it definitely takes some design cues from possibly the Rolex Datejust. That's okay. The bracelet on these is excellent. I think the same place where Laurier gets their bracelets from, these guys get their bracelets from. So very, very nice. Oh yeah, that's a nice little size, man. Very, very nice. I think Scott has a bigger wrist than I do, but he may not have taken any of the links out actually. Anyway, so really, really cool watch. Excited to take a look at it. This is the second time I've had a Traska on the channel. I had that is it the Freediver? The one that was like that minty blue or minty green. Excellent watch for sure. Let me just make sure I have this cased up really nice. And so let's move on. Next we have here is something I ordered from Joma Shop. I'm gonna do a video on this. I'm not gonna give away what the whole idea of the video is about, but it's gonna be. I'm gonna have a little fun with it. So let's check this out. Okay, it's a Timex, and I figure why not check it out. Yeah, here you go. Timex. I don't even know which Timex this is. Let's see here. Oh man, that's funny. That's funny. I don't know anything about this. It's a quart black dial orange Timex. Yeah, let's do it. That's funny. Let's get it on here. Everybody should have a Timex, man. Everybody. I think I had Timex when I was a kid too. I mean, I had a G-Shock, of course, but I think I had some Timex as well. Yeah, not bad. Really inexpensive watch. It's kind of what I was going for. You guys will see in the video what I mean. Hopefully we can have a little fun hopefully we'll have a little fun, man. You know, let's have some fun. Okay, now I gotta be honest. The next package it's not a watch, but it's the one I've been looking forward to the most. Man, I am so excited to get this. I've been, as you guys may know, whether you like it or not, whether I like it or not, I'm kind of getting into knives lately. Let's just dispel with that. I'm into knives. Whoa, camera fell. Man down. All right, let's get that back over here. It's because this thing is packed like an animal. What does that even mean? Oh my God. Sorry, guys. Oh, jeez. Maybe I'll edit that out. Maybe not. I'll probably get a couple people to thumbs down after that or unsubscribe. But what is it? What is it? I'm so excited. Oh yes, Hinderer. So this is a DLT trading exclusive. The Hinderer Eklipse. I've been hankering for an XM18, but you can't really find those anywhere unless you go used, which is fine. Oh baby. Oh baby. Oh, look at this thing. Holy mackerel. What an awesome. So now I'm graduating to the big boy stuff. I got a Chris Reeves like a week ago, and now I got this Hinderer. Holy mackerel. Look at this thing. I still know nothing about knives. Nothing. But this thing, oh man, this is like this knife is freaking fantastic. Let's see. Oh, my thumb stud. All right, let's I still can't do a thumb stud. Anyway, guys, so I'm really happy about this, adding knives to the collection. Starting to get to a point where I'm adding knives that are in a $300, $400 price range. This is not good. Not good. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging in there. Like I said, I'm going to post these unboxings once a week from now on. Try that out and see how that works. Thanks for hanging in there with me today. And sorry for the drops of the camera there. I think I'm going to leave them in. What the hell? Anyway, have a good one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.